Hello everyone. In previous lecture we have seen about bus topology. In this lecture we will look about ring topology. So for ring topology I am creating a ring by using few devices. In ring topology each network connected device connected to two other devices like how points has been connected in circle. Now here we will use switches to connect with the devices. Here the IP address which I have been specifying on the screen need to give for the device, but just for your understanding purpose I am specifying on the screen, but it's not mandatory. So now once I have been setted everything, now I will connect the switches each by using a copper cross through cable for switch to switch connection. But for when we are connecting the switch with the device, then we need to use the copper straight through cable. Connect the devices with the switches individually. So after we are connecting, now we will set the IP address for the devices. For that, click on the device, go to desktop, go to IPv address, then give the IP address for the device. So once the setting of IP address has been done, now we will check how the ring topology comes into picture, how it been works. So for that, here I am sending a packet from a device to the other device. We will look how the packet has been getting transmitted in the ring topology. We are seeing here we have sent a packet from the device 1 to the device 4. and it has been transmitting to all other devices as well, but the packet will go only for the device 4, and if it been transmitted to other devices, it will give the wrong intimation. Here you have seen the correct intimation how it's been going on. We can even check the status at the right below. Once the process has been done, it will show the status as well, whether our packet has been gone succeeded or failed. So here you can see the status as successful. Yeah, that's it for ring topology. Thank you.